Today's Chi-nezzy report is on tamper-proof 3-inch Torx bits I purchased from Amazon for $9.99. I was able to loosen the screws from the fuel pressure regulator, but I could not tighten those screws back down with the Torx bit I purchased from Amazon. I will show you two short clips, one of the fuel pressure regulator and the other of the end result from using the tamper-proof Torx bit I got from Amazon. Ling Ling, this is from your neck of the woods. Can you give the people the definition of Chi-nezzy?
Chi-nezzy is a slang term for low-quality products that fail unexpectedly. It's often used for tools or parts that snap or bend. Here is a copy of the tamper-proof Torx bit set I purchased on Amazon. Avoid this brand. Cheaply made and unreliable.
Let's go to the little homie to get his opinion on this product. Little man, what you got to say about these tamper-proof Torx bits?
Oh shit!
I don't think everything that comes from China is bad. What I think it is the sellers, buying stuff they know is junk for a cheap price. Google your name brand quality items you purchased and see where it comes from. How many manufacturing factories do we have in America? The product gets manufactured in China, then they ship it to that country that claims they made it. Then the brand that ordered it slaps a label on it and claims they made it. Now give me all your money for it. Just get you a passport, go to China and cut out the middleman. Remember when China was offering free visa entry for 140 days? You can get designer bags, clothes, shoes, rims with mad money to spare. China's selling homes now will cost you $400,000, you can get for 100. And that will end today's Chi-nezzy report. Cheap products will give you cheap results. What I would like to do with this channel is get straight to the point. If there is a little bit of history or a demonstration, I will include it in the video. These videos are my opinions on the products I purchase. I am not sponsored, and in 2026, everyone should know how YouTube works. Each video will contain a couple purchases I made, show what I paid and where I got the item from and why I purchased it. Now that I got that out of the way, let's get back to these products and let's see if they are worth your hard-earned dollar bill, y'all. Gold-tied technology for the win. It served the purpose it was designed to do, and I plan on putting it to good use. Ling Ling, 2 thumbs up on this one.
Good job, gold-tied technology, for producing a tool that does what it was designed to do. 2 thumbs up.
Here's a product that I purchased to use along with those tamper-proof Torx bits. It is a hex shank adapter to 3/8-inch drive. You get 2 of those adapters for $6.99. In the fuel pressure regulator video, you will see some lights, another good purchase. Look for the review in another video. To sum it up, try not to go too cheap on tool purchases, because I had to go to Harbor Freight to get a T10 Torx bit to tighten those screws on the fuel pressure regulator. And that means I got to take time away from the repair to go pick up a tool that was actually cheaper and waste gas. And gas is very high in March of 2026. Before I forget, peep the lights. They are magnetic and they have a hook on the end for hanging, and they connect together to make a light bar. Thank you for watching, and peace. Welcome to I Consume Daily channel, where I give you, the watcher, my opinion on products I have purchased. This is the Chi-nezzy series, and what that is products that are made in China. A lot of them will have unknown brand names, some will have brand names that you are familiar with. The first product up is the lights I referenced in episode 1. Silstar. Keep in mind there will be a lot of weird brand names, some I can't even pronounce. Ling Ling, can you display this product information for our viewers? Side note, I use these lights often. They have been clutch for me.
These lights come with 3 light modes: low, high, and flashing red light. Have hooks on one end and magnets on the other. Excuse me, sir, what do you think about those lights?
I love them. They provide plenty of light.
Well, you heard what the man said. He loves them. Sounds like Silstar for the win.
Let me add one more thing.
You can connect them together to make a light bar. How awesome is that? They did go up in price, about $4 more. You can thank your president for that. You might want to snatch a set before the next price hike.
Next up is a product that I have been using for a while. As a matter of fact, I have it set to auto reorder every month. Ling Ling, can you give the viewers the product information?
Yo, I believe that's me. Let me give you this product information on the MIC.
Ah, hell nah. You rapping now, Becky. Where is Ling Ling?
Don't hate, congratulate. Ling Ling had a family emergency. Her father's brother's uncle's wife's grandmother's cow has crossed over to that golden pasture in the sky.
WTF. Whatever, White Chocolate, can you give the viewers a breakdown of this filter by Aquaneat?
This Aquaneat filter uses multiple media to keep water crystal clear. It provides absorption, oxygenation, filtration, and circulation. The small size is perfect for fry tanks and is only used today with free shipping. This filter is perfect for tanks up to 20 gallons. It's 6 inches tall with a diameter of 3¼ inches.
Thank you, White Chocolate. Here is a clip of the filter in action. I had to move my yellow African cichlid because he was getting too aggressive with my parrotfish. That will wrap it up for this review of Aquaneat air-driven corner sponge filter. Air pump, air lines, and one-way check valve not included. I forgot to mention that my small tank is 5 gallons. I would not use this product alone for a bigger tank. My other tank has a hang on the side 50-gallon filter. Thank you for watching, and peace.